My name is Mije Von Merta-Sustarich, and I'm a National Academy of Sports Medicine certified personal trainer, nutrition coach, and weight loss specialist. What I do as a personal trainer and nutrition coach is I design programs that are tailored specifically to the needs of my client in order for them to reach their overall fitness, nutrition, and health goals. My mission as your trainer is to teach you how to live an overall healthy lifestyle. I do that by training you specifically on how to eat right and how to exercise properly. I see myself becoming a physical therapist. What motivates me is I know how to turn pain into power. Through exercising properly and regularly and eating right, I have learned how to take my own spinal injury and make it my strength. Today, I'm able to be a personal trainer and be able to function in society despite my own disability. And that's what I want to teach you. I want to teach you how to take your pain and turn it into your own power. My advice to you, build your support network. Get a coach. Get me. Get someone who knows how to take your pain and your obstacles in life and make it into a positive, just as I've done for myself. If it wasn't for my coach, I wouldn't be here walking today. Now that I have the tools that he taught me, I can take the same tools and teach them to you. So you gotta ask yourself, do you wanna get up? Do you wanna move forward? I think you do, so let me help you.